Yeah, it was like...
Better to be safe. Sorry, go ahead and roll on down. I have my belt on before we get off pit road. So both hands up. Sense what those front wheels are doing.
I've already sent some understeer that first session.
Okay.
But this car is very neutral when it happens.
Yep.
It just...
That's what I say. Most people don't even know that they're doing it.
I felt it get light, and I'm like... And then it just reconnected.
Right. So pull it behind those orange cones and stop. You keep the trap between you and any oncoming traffic. We can see back to Chuck at the flag stand. Nobody's coming, so we can go ahead and roll on out. It in tight, let it go out and bring it back to middle on that one. Yeah, and that's the slowest corner on the track, right? So that's probably why you're feeling a little bit of that understeer. Straighten the wheel up. Okay, ease up. You're cutting in early. This one, you start wide, you turn for the first half of the corner, then you freeze your hands and it'll bring it right on the cone. Slow and tight, tighter than you think. So tuck it in more. Now medium and medium turn and medium speed, and then fast out all the way out to the red and white. Straighten the wheel. Tuck it in on the cone. You have to be real patient on the gas because it goes off camber and tightens. Lift, turn, and go. Brake hard, get in there. This time let it run a little wide. Come back to middle. Brake hard, brake hard, brake hard. There you go. Let it get out there. Small little brake. Wait for it, get in there first, now power straight out, now come on, hard brake, wait for it, curl it in, keep curling, freeze your hands, see how that works? Straight on out, good, slow and tight, tighter, off the curve, but yeah. That's one with the white line. Yeah. Slow, medium, fast out. Take it outside. Straight at the orange cone. Perfect. See how it flowed right there? Really hard brake. Ease off as you come in. Go wide. Don't even come back to mid-track. Hard brake, curl it in like a snail shell. Like a corkscrew. Let it go wide. Now come back to mid-track. Quick brake. You don't need to get all the way back over to the head out. Just mid-track. We've tried it all different ways. There's no advantage. We don't know what his skill level is. So, easy turn in here. Don't stay on the brakes too long, but don't get on the gas. Come in. And then you can power straight on out. Just like that. Here is just, I give it a light lift, turn in, I go back to gas. Brake, turn it in, let it run a little wide, bring it back to middle. Hard brake, so you got to bring it in. There you are, then let it go wide. Small little brake here, curl it, keep coming in. Now let it run all the way up to the last red stripe. Back off a little bit. We don't want to be forcing him not having a good time. Stay outside the gray line. Turn, turn, turn. Hold. Back on it. Straighten the wheel. Very good. Tuck it in tight, tighter than you think. Try and stay off that.
It's hard.
I know. Straight out, straight out. You can cycle through pits if you want to.
Sure.
Oh, sorry. I said you can cycle through pits and I'm shoving you off. Yeah, so you're looking good and fast out there.
There's the two corners that both have the pavement strip.
Yep.
Those are the ones I'm confused on.
Okay. Well, they're both kind of the same. Stay outside the pavement strip.
Yeah.
Get in there first. On this one, the one after the front straight, patience, patience, patience.
Okay.
All right, you can't get on the gas soon in there. You got to make that outside turn, and it's a decreasing radius and off camber. So you cannot get on the gas until you're at that cone. Otherwise, it will kick you right off the track. The other one, outside, turn, 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 freeze, and it'll bring you right back by the cone.
So it's the second one where you freeze, the other one,
Yeah,
patience.
patience and freeze.
Yeah, we have a track back home that has a corner called Patience, and it's like that. It's decreasing radius, off camber.
Yep.
You see the first apex, and you're like, okay, I'm going to go right to it and go, and then it curls back.
Lures you in. Good track design. We're clear. He had to jump on us. Go ahead. Up, you're a good braker, so next time up, wait till you get into the side of that hill before you brake, because that's slowing us down too. You'll brake sharper, but less. A little bit, there, yep, a little bit slower on that corner. Tuck it in. Remember, as you get on gas, let it go wide. Middle of the track. Good brake. Tuck it in. Wait for it. Now go. Straighten the wheel. So this is patient. Stay outside. He's off the brake completely. No more gas. Tuck it in. That's it. Don't look at that cone on the outside. Transition your eyes to that last cone earlier. in there first. Straighten wheel. Good driving.
Nice.
Do you track it? Your 350? No.
Oh yeah.
Best to try with ours first.
Exactly. I'm waiting all summer.
Yep. When you hit the brakes, it comes up on the nose, puts a lot of pressure down on the tires. When you're coming into a hill, it's helping you do that. So you're shortening your braking zone, but you have to shorten your perception too. You don't need to brake as early. You brake into the hill, and you will slow down faster just by virtue of gravity and pressure. That's the biggest thing about driving on the track is learning to trust the tires, trust the brakes, know what the car is going to do, and then learn the track. So the more you drove this, and you'd start over slowing there, having to speed up to get to the corner or coasting into it. So you'd start shortening that on your own. But with me there, I can tell you when you're coming up into that hill, on any hill, it's going to help compress those tires and give you good grip.
Okay.
So you get on the brakes hard in a shorter period of time and ease off and get around that corner. And judge too, if you come into a corner and you get that understeer, which we were doing,
right,
you got to adjust your entry speed because it's the whole slow in, fast out. If you're fighting understeer halfway through that turn, you're not going to be able to get on the gas as soon as you want to.
Yeah, thanks. I learned a lot on that session.
Good.
I love doing lead follow to get the line and all that.
Right.
But I find the mistake I make is I turn when the lead car turns.
Oh, because you're watching him
so
too closely. Yeah,
I'll be a step behind.
Right,
and
right,
end
right.
up going in a bit early.
Yep. Yeah, lead follow is really good, especially learning a new track, but it's kind of hard too.
Thanks very much.
Very nice session. Good job.
Thanks.